Welcome back. You're here with the Mac, and I'm going to keep this video short and specific. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about Vechain. But first, follow me at Twitter, 007MacMac007. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell. All right, so Bitcoin and Vechain. And I'm going to be as transparent as possible. I'm going to share with you what the advice I give to my brother. All right, my brother's a doctor. He's single, and if he listens to me, he's not going to have to be a doctor for very much longer. Not saying he doesn't want to, but he's going to have the choice whether he wants to continue practicing in that field, because Bitcoin will make him a lot of money, and Vechain will make him a lot of money. So just being transparent, the advice that I give to my family, all right? Now listen, I cannot give you financial advice. I can give my family financial advice, and I hope they listen, and I hope they understand that this is the sweet spot for Bitcoin and other legitimate cryptos like Vechain. So again, this is not financial advice. This is just my humble opinion. I'm just sharing with you the advice that I give to my family. For example, my parents, my father, he has $1 million house, right? So he's renting it out right now, and hopefully he can keep it. He doesn't need to spend it. It's like his retirement, so he's renting it out. But I'm telling him to get into cryptocurrencies, and he's following. He's got into Vechain. There was a little sad story where he lost a lot of Vechain, because he got impatient with the wallet thing, and it's the wild, wild west. But again, this is advice that I'm giving to my family. I share with them. And why am I telling you this? Because I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so that you understand my passion, my beliefs when it comes to cryptocurrency. Remember, this is not a one-dimensional channel. Remember, I come from the real estate market. I come from the stock market. And right now, the cryptocurrency market is what I believe people should be focusing on. All right, so again, if my father listens to me, he can, just do whatever he wants to do with that house, keep on renting it, but he's not going to have to focus on that for retirement because his investments in Vechain, for the most part, because he's heavy duty in Vechain, of course, because, he's listening to me, he's smart, and he is putting that fiat into Vechain. He's going to be really well off. And other individuals in my family, if they're listening to me, and I know some listen to me on YouTube, some follow me on Twitter. I don't know if they're still following. I really don't know who follows me on YouTube, to be honest. I have friends, and if they're listening to me, they should be focusing on Bitcoin and Vechain. I don't know. There's other legitimate cryptocurrencies as well. There is. I mentioned another one, Chainlink. I like what Ripple's doing. And to give a quick testimony for those of you who might be new, I made really good investments in Lisk, Ripple, Pivx, others like Ontology. When Ontology did that short run in a bear market, got in at $1.77. I told people it was going to $10, and it went to $10. So, listen, not to brag, but I got to put the credibility out there so people understand. And there was others in this bear market that we did really well, like Devry, EVE, and I'm talking about the line, and myself, and the people that got in when we put it out on Twitter. So in a bear market, 2018, we have done really good returns. So just sharing that with you guys. So I just want people to understand what I'm sharing with my family. Again, I can't give you financial advice. I can guide you where to research, where to look at. And I'm just going to close this video right here, okay? I'm going to close this video with this statement. All right, if you can take anything from this statement, and this is, to me, is very profound, even almost calling it into existence, and I believe it too, all right? I believe it. I'm not just trying to do some hocus pocus. The research, from what I see, from what I've read, from what I've heard, and the amount that I have, this is what I believe will happen. Bitcoin is going to make me in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and Vechain will make me over $1 million. All right, just in those investments. Not talking about other investments. Remember, there's other cryptos that I hold, but just in those two, I believe that Bitcoin will bring me into the hundreds of thousands of dollars in return, and that Vechain will bring me in return on investment in the millions of dollars. That is the statement that I want to close with. I just want to share that with you guys. I believe that from the research, from the things that I see, again, this is the sweet spot. So if your friend, if your family, if you're, just listening to me, I'm just sharing what I believe is going to happen. So if you kind of smart, you should be researching Vechain and Bitcoin and other legitimate cryptocurrencies as well. I'm not saying that Bitcoin and Vechain is the only spot to go, the only ones you should be investing in. Again, first of all, I cannot tell anybody where to put their money, or I'm not saying that's the only cryptos, I should say, to research, but I believe from the research that Bitcoin, again, will bring in return on my investment in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and Vechain will bring me millions return on investment. All right, guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and you already know, be blessed. I am out.